What's up guys, here we are with a new video. In this video I'm going to teach you how to get very good lighting in your videos. A lot of creators are having bad lighting doing some things, but I'm going to teach you how to get good lighting and have a good color correction to editing it. So before then, some people think it depends on your camera. No, you can have an iPhone 7, iPhone X, iPhone XR or 11 Pro Max or even 12 and have great videos. It only depends on your lighting. Lighting is very important in videos because that's what makes people see you clearly. So without further ado, I'm going to show how to get your lighting from this into this. First, when shooting a video, you grab your tripod and your phone or device that will record the video, then put it on tripod and have a very good angle, of which we are going to show you, but here is very messy. So we are going to show you how to get a very good angle and the angle to put your tripod with your ring light or tripod with the softbox you are using. So let's get started with that. So here we have the ring light, of which this is 25 inches, and it also have a cover, but I removed the cover because you can get more lighting after removing the cover. This is the cover for this, and then we are setting our camera over here. This is the guy with the camera. Here's the camera. It's set over here with the tripod and everything is ready. Then cool, let me sit right down here, and this is my people. So I'll advise you to put your tripod kind of here, because this is better. Putting it here is very good, and putting your camera over here. As you can see, the camera is kind of far from where I am. This is the camera and this is the ring light. This is where it is, but we are using one light. We have some lights up there, like we have one there, and then we have another one here, of which we are using, then having a great shot. So I advise you to do this kind of setup, but if you have two softbox or studio lights or ring lights, you can put one over here and then put the other one over here, which is cool. So let's go to the next thing, the exposure. As you can see, the lighting situation here is very bad. Like, it's just a ring light, only one ring light, but we haven't on our studio light yet. Just help me on that. And it's even so worse. And the first thing to do like this, if you're in this situation, is to reduce the exposure. You can do that. Keep reducing it, make it as 0. Is it good like that? Okay, so good. Then secondly, on your studio lights, have your studio lights. At least I'll advise you to get 2 softbox or 2 ring lights, because I'm having one ring light because I'm using some studio lights up here. So I would like to upgrade to a better softbox. So the next thing you're gonna do, when the exposure is so good, then start recording and make your zoom so good, so okay, so that the viewers will be looking at you so close, so that you won't be far. And after doing that, the next step is when editing the video, of which I'm using Final Cut Pro. If you want this, you have to get the Final Cut Pro. So we are going to show you how to do a color correction here, the final color correction. So without further ado, let's get to that. So here we are at the first place. We are going to the exposure. So I think we're going to reduce this to -10 because this is so exposed. Then go to the saturation and then take this up to make the color look better. You have to click on here, then take this up. You see the color is much better. The t-shirt is yellow and everything is looking good and not that warm. I'm sure it's okay like this. Then this is okay like this, the midtones. You can see the difference between the new, this is the old clip and this is the new one, old new. So there's a big difference. And for even the eyes, I know the new one is pleasing the eyes, but the old one is kind of disturbing the eyes. I'm sure of that. And so that's how I used to edit. I crop because this is too wide, so I crop a little bit, but this is not part of me teaching you. That's just what I'm doing. I'm doing that. So that's how you are going to do the color correction. I advise you to do this and shoot with the normal light, not warm light, just the cool light, because you see the difference is clear. This is super good and the old one is kind of, I don't know what to say. So I think we are done. What just happened? So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Meet you guys on the next one. Peace.